What is going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. Got a new product for you in from Olsa Tools. They were nice enough to send me some new stuff to show and give some good reviews on them. I do like Olsa Tools. They do have some good quality products for either your DIYer, prosumer, even all the way up to your pro level. They do have all kinds of products, from storage options to organization options to tool options. I mean, you can find just about anything you need on Olsa Tools. I would highly recommend anybody to check out Olsa Tools. They do have some good quality stuff at reasonable prices. So, I'm going to pause the video right quick, get it set back up, and we'll be right back with you. Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. Welcome back. As y'all see, down on my table here, well, my makeshift table, all reality, it's a 5-gallon bucket with a clipboard on it. Hey, it serves its purpose. Makes for a good little table when you need one. I am in the semi, in the front seat of the semi, and I was at the house. Lo and behold, this product showed up tonight, so I decided to go ahead and throw a video out for them. It is the 3-piece swivel head ratchets. The set does include the 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. They are the swivel head ratchets. It is the 3-piece. It does have the 270-degree swivel head ratchets in it. They are made of heavy-duty chrome vanadium steel. They do feature it is a 90-tooth ratchet with a 4-degree arc swing arc. And we'll go ahead and get this box opened. Of course, every Olsa Tools that you order, you get this nifty little 10% coupon on the next order that you purchase. They'll give you 10% off. You can subscribe to their channel, get their newsletter for all their new products that are coming out, or their sales and featured items that they featured for that particular month. So if you're not familiar with Olsa Tools, you can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. You can get a hold of them at 1-877-252-8572, or go to www.olsatools.com, or if you need help with any of your products, support at olsatools.com. Nonetheless, would highly advise going over to their site and looking and see what they got, and maybe purchasing some tools from them, or drawer organization stuff. So, put that to the side. The ratchets do come in a handy, a nice little handy tray, organization tray. You can keep them in this tray. Of course, they will stay in this tray just for now, but as soon as I have access to my toolboxes again, all of my ratchets will be going into Kaizen foam. I will not be keeping this tray, but it is handy. You can pull this tray out of the box. It is a nice plastic tray for storage. That way you keep your ratchets in organization fashion. Part numbers on the ratchets is 1248, 1250, and 1249. 1249, 1248, and 1250. They are the chrome handled. They're not the comfort grip handle. I do like these, I call them roto head ratchets. You can call them what you want, swivel head ratchets, but I call them roto head ratchets. I don't know why I call them that, I just do. It is a nice little designed ratchet for the money, and it'll help you get you out of tight spaces if the time ever rises for the need for it. You can listen to the tooth heads in there. This is the 1/2 inch. Don't have much play in there at all. It is a pretty smooth ratchet. It does have the old designed switch on the head for switching back and forth, left and right, on and off. I do like the sound of them when you switch from on and off. That is the 1/2 inch. Again, I am very impressed with these ratchets thus far. And going forward, we'll be doing some more videos on them when they are in use. Not too many videos, but as I use them, I will let everybody know how I like them or dislike them. Here's the 1/4 inch ratchet. Again, the teeth in there do sound really nice. It does feel like a smooth ratchet. Same swivel head or roto head. I call roto head. What I call roto head, you call swivel. But nonetheless, I mean, highly impressive so far. And here is the 3/8. So, impressive thus far. If you want to get your hands on a set of these ratchets, go to olsatools.com and buy you a set of them. They are very, very impressive ratchets. It is heavy duty chrome vanadium steel. Got a really nice shine on them. And they do come in this little storage case. You can slip them into your toolbox drawers for easy storage. So we'll be starting to put these ratchets to use, and we'll give further updates on them. But as of right now, I'm highly impressed with them. I want to thank Olsa Tools for sending these out for the channel. This is a sponsored channel. This is a sponsored video by Olsa Tools because they did send me this. So, if you like this video and you want to get a set of these ratchets, go to olsatools.com. Look them up. The whole part number is 1247. There's the part number for the set, 1247. But nonetheless, I like them. But if you like this video, go ahead and pound that thumbs up for me. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, I'm asking everybody that watches the video to be subscribed to the channel. And if you haven't done so already, ring that bell. It'll keep you up to date on the videos I put out, on all my tool review videos, my live streams, my tool haul videos, trucker videos, and everything in between. Maybe some even cooking videos coming soon. But until the next time, this is the Raging Cajun. Y'all have a great weekend, great week. And y'all keep those wheels spinning and your beavers grinning. And the Raging Cajun. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.